In March, we visited the Shark Bay area. Driving north from Kalbarri, we noticed the landscape became more open and arid. Shark Bay has a desert climate. The waters are very clear, azure blue and full of life. Dolphins, rays, dugongs and of course many sharks.
We drove to Francois Peron National Park, on the tip of the peninsula in the bay, which is only accessible by four-wheel drive vehicles. The roads are very sandy and we got bogged because our tire pressure was too high. We had to drop it as low as 20 psi, including the tires on our camper trailer. This makes the tires soft and let them drive over the sand instead of plowing in. We camped at the beautiful Big Lagoon camp spot. We snorkeled in the lagoon and experienced starry nights.
On a four-wheel drive tour with guide Janine Gunter, we visited all corners of the national park. Hidden beaches, stunning views, and we were amazed by the exceptional bright colors. We also saw a lot of wildlife, including a beach full of crabs and cormorants, a cowtail ray, the resident green turtle at a spiral bay, and many birds.
In Denham we were surprised by emus wandering the streets of town and visiting campgrounds.
We took a dip in the Little Lagoon, a turquoise inlet flanked by mangroves and teeming with small fish that hide in the seagrass.
We also spent a day at Monkey Maya, where we could feed wild dolphins. See the other video for this footage. After about 1 week in Shark Bay, we headed to Carnarvon. But before we arrived there, we first stopped at Hamelin Pool. These dark piles in the water are the oldest living organisms in the world, stromatolites, bacterial colonies that fill the Earth's atmosphere with oxygen.
After this quick stop, we continued north for more adventures to come.